Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Young Money Investing, where we help everybody, no matter how young or how old, achieve true wealth in their lives. Today, I'm bringing you my top 5 books to help you achieve more wealth in 2022. Let's get to it. Now, before we get into the list, I'd like to address why you should be reading first. One of the things that most successful people all have in common is they make time to read every single day. Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, these guys are mega billionaires and they are all spending time every single day just to read. I think the best investment you can make is in yourself, and reading accomplishes this. Now, on top of that, I enjoy reading quite a bit, and with that, let's get into my list. First up on the list, we have The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. I read this book for the first time last year, and what struck me most was how simple it was. This book is ideal for someone just starting out on their financial journey, but seasoned veterans will get something out of it as well. It doesn't deal with any theories on stock picking or the markets. Instead, it details the steps that you should be taking to get your financial house in order before you even begin investing. Next on the list, we have Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is an absolute classic within the investing sphere, and I'm sure some of you have heard it mentioned before. It deals with topics such as how to think like an owner instead of an employee, and why you need to invest because cash is trash and savers are losers. One of my favorite things about this book is that Robert Kiyosaki doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk as well, and in the process has become a multi-millionaire. Third on my list is One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is famous for managing Fidelity's Magellan Fund from 1977 until 1990. During this period, the Magellan Fund was the best performing fund in the world and didn't record a single losing year. This book covers stock selection and how everyday investors such as you and I can beat Wall Street just by paying attention in our everyday lives. Next up on our list, we have How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill. This book covers O'Neill's patented CAN-SLIM investing system, which is described as, quote, a winning system in good times or bad. One of my favorite things about this book is that it utilizes both technical analysis and fundamental analysis to help you maximize your returns. This book is suitable for seasoned investors as well as those just dipping a toe in the investing waters, and will help you identify what trades to look for in winning stocks. And last but certainly not least, we have Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now, this book is based on Andrew Carnegie's formula for success, and if you don't know who Andrew Carnegie is, I highly recommend you go and research him. Now, this book is a little more subtle, and I don't expect everybody to understand the first time around. But for those ready to take the next step and looking to drastically increase their lot in life, this is the book for you. So there you have it, my top 5 books to increase your wealth in 2022. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys thought of my list, or if you've read some or all of these books already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.